Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Still the evening of Sunday, the 15th day of June 2025. Now, there is something that I want to voice out that has been bothering me, and I posted it as a picture on my community tab, but it's important I address it through a video. During the protest that happened today in Benue State, a military helicopter was sighted monitoring the situation of the protest. I said a military helicopter was caught monitoring the situation. Protest. Now, for those of you who don't understand the implication, in Benue State, for the past 6 months, that is this 2025 alone, 2,100 and some figures has been eliminated. They have been killed by these Fulani terrorists. No protection, nothing. Even though the killing is happening in front of the military barrack, they can't do anything. They even go ahead to tell a local government chairman that they have no mandate from Abuja to fight them. Whether it's Abuja is the constitution, I don't know, but that is a story for another day. Now, after those things, the governor in his intelligence gathering now tell the world that people in National Assembly are the one who are sponsoring these killings, that they are feeding and buying guns for these terrorists in the bush. The man still went forward to say that people who are in Benue are not real Nigerians, that they were imported. They are Fulanis who were imported into the country. No problem. I'm taking you to where I'm going. Just stay with me. Now, after that, on Friday, another attack happened that claimed, as at the time of making this video, this is the evening on Sunday, 15 June 2025. The death toll is now 241. 241 persons has been killed. Iran and Israel war, the death toll has not crossed 120. But the whole world, even Nigerians are saying, I stand with Iran, I stand with this, I stand with this. But look at Benue State, 240 persons were killed just in a single day. Now, these people now started protesting that we even try to defend ourselves, they overpower us and so on and so forth. They were protesting. The next thing we saw was the military helicopter. Now, the question is, where was this military helicopter when they were killing them? If I am telling you about the situation of Nigeria, why Nigeria is irredeemable, why this country will never work, some people will not understand. It is coming step by step. It will come. Do you see president addressing the situation? Do you see any governor addressing the situation? Do you even see the governor of Benue talking? I mean, people are being massacred like flies. However, I don't want to go deep into some things now. I am going to say it, but not in this video, about all this attack. I know that there is nothing I'm going to say that is going to be new to people. Now, why we are talking about that all these politicians are mute, they are not talking, they are not doing anything because of all this attack, look at what is happening. Take a listen. Yeah, these are politicians fighting about who to endorse, who not to endorse. The Northeast politicians met, and at the end of the meeting, they said Tinubu is not going back to Sowore 2027, that they are not going to support Tinubu. Others said they are going to support Tinubu, and fight broke out. These people don't care how many people that died. They don't care about you. They have their attacking dogs who are the terrorists. All of them, as you can see them fighting there. They don't care about any souls that, fall apart. And that is why I continue to talk to the masses. I continue to talk to my, fellow people. The danger is here. When I mean the danger is here, the danger is here. From now till next week, there will be a classified document that will be released. Not Nigeria that will release it, but the document is about Nigeria. They are going to release about the sponsors and documentary about this killing. A very reputable research, document is going to be released, and it's going to shock the world. So that time, when we are talking, we'll have more backups, because all these things that I'm saying, someone even called me today and said, "You mean that all those things you were talking with, we thought it was rumor and propaganda, is true?" I said, "God punish you." How can someone come and start talking because you want to talk? No. Everything I said in this platform, I'm saying in this platform, if you see anything that I said and it's not true, it's not totally true, just stop following me, because I don't have pleasure in coming out to say things that are not true or things that are not this and that. Now, the question is, majority of Christians are being wiped out in Nigeria. This has nothing to do with religious affliction or not. But many Christians are being wiped out in the Middle Belt, in Plateau State, in Benue State, including so many parts in the Middle Belt of Nigeria. Where are we going from here? Now, when I check the comment section of my videos, a lot of people will be dropping questions like, what is the solution to this? I don't want to be saying this time without number. If Nigeria did not come to an end, if there is no peaceful separation of Nigeria, believe me, both people said God forbid and God did not forbid. You will tell me whether God hates people that are dying now. Many people will be wiped out of Nigeria. Nobody cares. Nobody. The world will turn their eyes back on you. They will kill you. They will wipe you away. Nothing is going to happen. Now, the killing that is going on today happened before. When you hear about the issue of Biafra, issue of this, people get, emotional. They get emotion into their mind and they thought it is all about tribe. Ojukwu and Gowon went to Aburi town in Ghana. They called the meeting Aburi Accord. That is Aburi Agreement. Because this kind of things happening today was happening before. Everybody from the southern Nigeria, they regard them as Igbos before. They killed them, put their heads on train, bring them back to the south. This was happening. Pogrom. Ojukwu said this can't continue. He said that we leave this country or let us have agreement that everybody will provide their own security. And that is why the state police, they will not allow it. They know what they are doing. Now they went to Aburi Accord, they had a meeting, everything was successful. On coming back, Britain saw that, this country is going to become great and they will not rely on us and we can't control them again with this kind of structure. They called Gowon not to do that. Gowon today now is crying. Gowon is regretting. Gowon is now trying to ask, we fought war for peace. This is not the reason why we fought war. And I want him to answer the question, does this country look like what they kill millions of people for? Does it look like it? Absolutely no. It doesn't. So what is the essence of the war? If Gowon had allowed Aburi Accord to stay, by now, Nigeria would be one of the most powerful nations on earth. But he didn't. And that is the same mistake they are making today. And that is why unequivocally and unapologetically, I'm just saying that all this, everyone who want to separate from Nigeria, I am in support of them. Because, see, if it has not gotten to your doorstep, you don't know what others are feeling. I feel so bad watching this, seeing this report every day. Tell me, what do you want to know about Nigeria? Just tell me, what do you want to know? Do you want to know about the plans to eliminate you? The billions of naira that they are pumping into insecurity to kill you? What do you want to know? What do you actually want to know? Do you want to know how, they took away your power of electing people that can represent you? Do you know all these police, DSS, before you become the head? Do you know what they go through? Do you know that this is a secret society, not a country? This is a secret society, not a country. Nigeria is a court. The government in Nigeria is a court. Anyway, a lot of expositions that I don't want to bring to the media now. I will do that, I will bring it, but not now. There is time for everything. Let us focus what we are focusing. Or you think that all this relationship between the Senate President, Tinubu, all this thing is just a normal relationship? The people that are supposed to checkmate the presidency, the president will go and buy private jet without any appropriation, and they will rubber stamp it. Oh, you think it's ordinary? A lot of expositions are going to come, okay? Because once you are afraid of death, when you have the fear in Nigeria, meaning you're already dead. You are dead already. So there is no need to have fear, because people who had fear are gone. So why would you be afraid to say what you want to say? So don't forget where we started from this video, that it was because the military sent their helicopter to monitor protest. Why they leave people to kill them. All those places have been sold. I'm sorry to say this. I never wanted to go into all these things now. Benue, Plateau, these places has been sold already. Anyway, that is for another video.